Hi folks, we're back with more Revit training and we're going to continue on our rec center. So now we have all our openings done and now we're going to look at connections, how these all come together. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and start from the beginning. This is an advanced class for if you know. Anyway, but this is how you go. So basically we need our base plates connected here. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into my project browser. I'm going to go to the basement. Here in our basement level, okay, I'm going to go to level 1 now. And I got a plate here. And I'm going to look at this in wireframe, just so we can see what's happening. So here's our plate, and this guy needs to go probably here. This is the connection between the wall and the floor. So let's pull this section back and have a quick look. So that looks like that's going to be okay. So what's happening here, you have a plate. I might want to move this over a bit. You have this plate here, and it should be centered. We got a piece of bar here. Let's look at this in shaded view if we can. We can't really see it, but this is what's happening here. You got a base plate, a shim, and you got this sort of connection here for this piece. So so let's go back to level 1. And so basically what happens is you have to make these connections throughout the panels. I think maybe most of the time it's 2, so I'm going to copy this. So about right there, and then another here, at least another 2 feet across. So they're standard widths and lengths, maybe even 3'6". This is kind of a standard thing depending on where you are in the world. But I think yeah, I'm just going to go here with. We got to just place this here because we got a column here. So you get the idea. You just go and place these connections throughout the project. And okay, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to go with this one here and one here. I got issue with the columns, but I really don't think we need columns in this. So sorry folks, I just want to show this video on connections. So we have some connections in here. And now let's go have a look at our elevations. I'm going to show you this in the 3D view, what's going on here, if I can. So we're going to look in the 3D view. And these are our, cancel that, sorry. This is out of here. So if I look at this in wireframe here, this is what we get. There's our connections, but we really have to go through these and sort these out properly because we don't really have a static or a concrete area where everything's going to be. But this is how you connect the panels to the walls. So if you look at that in section, that's what's happening right about here, yep. Okay? So I'm going to lay this out. Okay, now another thing I want to show you here briefly. I don't know if we got time. Okay, so we're going to show you this briefly. So let's go look at our east elevation here. And we have to connect the panels. Basically, they're not just standing there. Of course, we have to do the base plates, and then we have to do the panels. So here, I'm going to go into my properties. I'm going to insert component. Oh, sorry. It's one of the properties here. Yeah, nope. So anyway, properties here. I'm going to insert. Sorry. Low family, architecture, component, place component, property. Okay, here we go. Wow. So I didn't know that. So here we've got several families. So we're going to go to mini V connector. That's what they need known using Precast to connect the, nope, that's not that one. To connect the wall panels together. So I'm going to go and grab this guy, mini V. And I'm going to place it right about here. And then I'm going to do another one here. I'm going to mirror it, I guess. And go here, here. I don't have it at the exact center, but okay. So you get the message. So what I'm going to do, folks, I'm going to lay this all out. You get the idea. I'll do a few more just so you can understand and follow along. Uh-oh, cancel that. I don't want to do that. So I'm going to go modify align here, there. Okay. And then I want to just select this guy here. And I want to cheat here and make this really simple. I'm going to go in here, I'm going to go to my architect, I'm going to my annotate tab, and I'm going to just draw a line here. A detail line from here to here. Okay, and I'm going to take this guy and copy it from this point, and there we go. So these are vector connectors. These what we use to connect the wall panels. We got to do a few more extra things in here because of this is called a gravity wall. Now we'll look at a gravity wall later, but for now. We want to use these connectors, and we're going to just go here and we're going to copy this guy over. So we can copy. So what I'm going to do, folks, I'm going to leave it there, bring it back another video, and I'm going to have this all zipped up and wrapped up and everything so we can move on. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and be safe, and happy holidays. I think it's Christmas time. So hey guys, I'll be back and continue with this project. Be safe, please subscribe, and bye.